Here are some general steps to follow for installing a wall-hung wash basin. Hi everyone, hope you guys are good today. I will guide you for complete installation of wall-hung wash basin, so stay tuned with grohe and watch the video. First of all, we should check that the wall is strong enough to support the weight of the wash basin. Locate the water supply and drainage pipes, and make sure they are in the right position. Use a level and a pencil to mark the location of the basin on the wall. Mark the positions of the mounting holes, the water supply and the drainage pipe. Install the support brackets. Install the support brackets on the wall according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure they are level and securely attached to the wall. Width, 16 to 24 inches, 40 to 60 centimeters. Depth, 12 to 20 inches, 30 to 50 centimeters. Height, 4 to 8 inches, 10 to 20 centimeters. It's important to measure the space where you plan to install the wash basin before purchasing to ensure that it will fit properly. Additionally, some models may require a specific mounting height, so be sure to consult the manufacturer's instructions for specific mounting and installation details. Width. Wall-hung wash basins can range in width from around 16 inches to 36 inches or more. Depth. The depth of a wall-hung wash basin can range from around 12 inches to 22 inches or more. Height. The height of the basin is typically measured from the bottom of the basin to the top of the rim. This can vary from around 4 inches to 8 inches or more. Mounting height. The mounting height of the basin, which is the distance from the floor to the center of the mounting bracket, is typically around 30 inches to 34 inches. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for tightening the mounting bolts. Different models may have different specifications, so it's important to follow the instructions that come with your specific wash basin. Connect the water supply lines to the faucet and the water supply valves. Use Teflon tape or plumber's putty to prevent leaks. Connect the drain. Install the drain assembly and connect it to the drainage pipe. Use plumber's putty or silicone sealant to prevent leaks. grohe present this video from a very unique source of helping people. Assemble the pedestal according to the manufacturer's instructions. This may involve attaching the basin to the pedestal using mounting screws or brackets. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Adjust the basin or pedestal if necessary to ensure that water flows into the drain properly. Install the faucet according to the manufacturer's instructions. This may involve attaching the faucet to the basin or pedestal. For floor mount pedestal on the floor and slide it over the mounting bracket on the wall. Make sure the pedestal is level and straight. Carefully place the wash basin on top of the pedestal, aligning it with the mounting holes. Attach the wash basin to the mounting bracket using the provided bolts, and make sure the wash basin is level. Connect the water supply lines to the faucet and the water supply valves. Use Teflon tape or plumber's putty to prevent leaks. Install the drain assembly according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure it drains properly. Once you have checked for leaks and ensured that the basin is properly secured, finish the installation by caulking around the base of the pedestal to seal it against the floor. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and recommended installation procedures for your specific full pedestal wash basin model. Be sure to also take appropriate safety precautions during the installation process. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any relevant question, ask in the comment segment.